Hello YouTube, this is docLUXURY here with another video for you. This time I have a special guest with me again. You want to introduce yourself?
Style via Lauren, it's Lauren.
So yeah, thanks again for Lauren for coming on my video. And for this video we are going to do a what's in my bag video. So yeah, stay tuned to see what we have. You could already sort of see what's inside Lauren's bag, but yeah,
Clearly.
You guys... You don't know what's inside this baby. So yeah, stay tuned to see and find out. Alright, so Lauren, why don't you go ahead and start us off with this. First, why don't you go ahead and just talk about what your bag is. We did talk about her bag in the previous video, but if you have not seen that one.
Today I have my transparent PVC mini from
her
the
beautiful PVC
Spring-Summer 2018 Act 2 collection from Chanel.
And it has multicolor leather accents.
I've got some pink lambskin, green lambskin, blue. This part of the bag is green PVC, blue PVC,
cool.
And clear here on the sides. So today I have with me my card case. As you guys, I've said a million times, one of my favorite SLGs is the Mini O case. It holds just about anything I want to stick in there and still fits in my Mini.
I have yet to add one of these into my collection.
You don't have one yet?
I don't.
Oh.
I just don't know what I would put in there.
What couldn't you put in there, Rod?
I don't know. What do you put in here?
I stick everything in there.
Why don't you show them? Could you show what's in there?
Let's see. So I have, I guess I shouldn't show them in one direction. Point cards.
Well, it's just a bunch of cards. You don't need to show.
I was going to say.
Yeah, it's just a bunch of cards.
I show where I spend way too much money at Neiman Marcus.
Okay, so use it more like a card case then.
But I stick my, because I'm going to New York later. Okay. I stick my key fob in here.
Gotcha, okay.
My ticket for the parking, you name it, I stick it in there.
Okay.
Of course, the key fob, can't get anywhere without a car in Colorado. Phone, never leave home without it. And of course, my favorite Dior lip gloss. I know it's not Chanel, shame on me.
Uh-oh.
So that's what's in my bag today.
Nice. Do you ever put anything in the back pocket?
Actually, when I was in London and Paris, I stuck my subway tickets back here.
Oh, well, there you go.
And I thought it was very convenient to pull in and out.
Okay. Is that back pocket the same color as the green?
It's actually clear.
Oh, it's pink.
It's clear, and then it's got the pink trim.
Pretty.
So.
Okay, my bag is a bit bigger and a lot heavier. So let's go ahead and dig into this baby. So I am currently using my Chanel Vintage Caviar Jumbo, as you guys can see, with the big CCs, and I have a strap on it because I do not use the chains as the strap because it's too short to be crossbody for me. I also currently have my Supreme luggage tag and my little cute Vivian bag charm adorning this bag. So let me go ahead and open her up. And let me just show you guys quickly what is in here. It is stuffed to the brim, and so I wouldn't even probably
say, what is in here, Rod? What isn't in here?
I probably wouldn't even be able to fit a Mini O case in here.
I could fit my bag in yours.
You probably, yeah, if I didn't have much in here, you could definitely fit, but it is pretty much stuff that you can't fit anything else. Okay, so what is the best way to do this? Okay, so I have Altoids, so I'll put that there. I have just a regular wallet that I plan to take to Vegas with me, and this is a Timmy Wallet, and yeah, I got this because I'm going to be going around and I want to have some cash with me, and I recently got that as a present, so I'm using that. I currently have, and I did not unbox this on my channel, but it is the Louis Vuitton sunglasses case MM, which is coated with the same material as Lauren's beautiful bag, FYI. And the sunglasses that I currently have in here, if you have seen my last what's in my bag videos, it is the same. I have not changed them out because I love this one so much. It is my Chanel Aviators from the runway.
They're so pretty.
They are, and Lauren actually helped me get the purple or the blue version, if you remember that, Lauren. That was actually the very first item that I asked her to source for me.
Memories.
Memories, exactly. And it spawned this beautiful friendship. Okay, let me just putting that back.
Can you imagine the calls to Louis Vuitton that they're going to get? Is my stuff really coated in PVC? I didn't think about that till now.
And here is another item from Burberry, which you guys have seen if you have seen any of my What's in My Bag videos. It is another item that is coated with what, Lauren?
PVC?
It is coated with PVC. And this is my change purse that I will change out for something else that I recently got that I will unbox soon. Or it'll probably be unboxed before this video comes out. I have a pack of wet naps, or wet ones. Can't go traveling without that. And I have, similar to what Lauren has, I have a Chanel, what do you call this, card case. And it is a single flap, or the single compartment design. One thing I hate about these things are these, what do you call these, gussets? Because you have to be very careful to put your cards back just right.
Or they get stuck.
Or it gets stuck and gets malformed, and I do not like that.
May I see?
Yes, you sure can. And that is in a So Black colorway.
I love this.
With a beautiful, is it calfskin?
It is. It's distressed calf.
It's distressed calfskin, and it's such a beautiful, durable leather compared to lambskin.
You stay busy and I'll put it in my bag.
And here is another item coated with what, Lauren?
A very durable material.
Yeah, called PVC, polyvinyl chloride. And again, I have my Mentos in there. A very expensive Mentos holder. What else do I have in here? I won't take out a lot of the small knickknacks because there's a whole bunch of stuff in here that you guys just don't really care to see.
He's a traveling man today.
So I have my pens and pencil. I have a mirror, if you guys can see, that I got from the meetup at Chicago from Pink to Paris's anniversary on YouTube. What else do I have in here? I have, well, this is probably the final thing that I know. What do I have? A Pink to Paris pen. Okay. Oh, and I have, so these are the fragrances that I have decided to take with me. They are my favorites. So this is, if you can see, is Rose de Vence. Okay, and this one is one of the newer fragrances that they just released. It is Le Jour se lève, which I think is really awesome. It's a citrusy fragrance, and I love citrusy fragrances. I have my lint roller. Yeah, I have a lot of stuff, Lauren. Sorry. I have...
It's like unpacking my suitcase.
Some, what is this, ethanol? Hand sanitizer. Sorry, I work in a lab, and so... And then what else do I have in here? I have some Samsung headphones that I have never used, and so that's why it's still in its box. And there's a lot of pucks. So I have, let me just show you guys. I have this thing in here, which is my kangaroo keeper. That is so easy to basically take out of a bag and put it into another one.
I have little people problems. I can't carry a bag with that much stuff.
Really?
It's sad.
I should like put all this stuff in here, and you should like see how heavy it is.
You really need to come with me to Paris, and so I can keep some of my stuff in your bag.
Yeah, we've been talking about going to Paris together, so yeah, stay tuned to see what happens with that. But I think she might be going when I'm unavailable, but...
I think he might have to be abducted.
But one day, we'll see what happens. Okay, and then I have... lotion. So yeah, I am traveling right now. I am on vacation. What else do I have? Oh, I have another... Oh my goodness. I have another can of Altoids. I have... Uh-oh. My chapstick, which the cover just came off of.
Well, so you are going to need that for Colorado, let me tell you.
I'll put that back in there. I have another chapstick. Well, I'm saying chapstick, but this is a Burt's Bees. And then the piece de resistance, I have my Chanel flat card case. And I am using a lot of my green pieces that you guys have seen me unbox. So in my pocket, I have my cell phone. So this is not in my bag, but this is what's in my pocket. But I just wanted to show you guys. I have my Chanel flat card case in the green, emerald green caviar leather. And
hang on for the key case.
I'm going to turn, oh, and you guys can't see, but let me just show you here. It is the key case that I am using as well. But yeah, that is all that is in my bag. So yeah, sorry it was long drawn out, but I do have a ton of crap in my bag. And that does it for this video finally. And yeah, hope you liked it, and stay tuned for more videos. I want to thank Lauren for coming on again, and make sure you watch the
coming in my bag?
The other video that she had filmed with me. Okay, I am totally winded. But yeah, thanks again for watching, and until next time, remember, and Lauren, why don't you go ahead and say this with me. Be you and stay confident.
I almost screwed it up.
Thanks, you guys. Goodbye.